Is a major shockwave about to disrupt the housing market? With the mortgage forbearance program ending soon, some fear that housing prices could crash this fall, setting off a chain of events that'll harm economic growth for 2022 and beyond. I'm your host, Big Smoke, and on this edition of FinFeed, will ending Biden's mortgage forbearance program crash the housing market? During the heady days of peak pandemic, over 7 million homeowners were enrolled in the mortgage forbearance program. The program, which is part of the CARES Act, was passed by Congress and signed into law by President Trump in April of 2020. It was extended by the Biden administration in 2021, but is now set to expire at the end of September. As of now, only 1.7 million homeowners remain in the program. However, considering that there are only 600,000 houses for sale at the moment, according to Realtor.com, the foreclosure of 1.7 million homeowners and the associated evictions could flood the market with housing units and cause a short-term crash in home prices. Some analysts fear this disruption could have wider effects on the economy as a whole. Researchers at Home.llc believe that housing inventory could rise by as much as 11% by the end of 2021. Combined with a market that is already cooling, this could cause prices to drop rapidly. On the other hand, most real estate and housing analysts still agree that a national housing shortage will persist for the next decade and a major crash in the near term is unlikely.
Speed feed.
Are American homeowners making a $4 billion mistake? According to new research from Stanford University, approximately 4 million single-family houses in floodplains are overvalued by an average of $11,526 each. This overvaluing means that homes are overinsured and homeowners are paying flood insurance premiums for more coverage than they need. Furthermore, FEMA's new Risk Rating 2.0 floodplain mapping, which expands floodplains nationwide, is set to take effect on April 1st, 2022. Experts say that floodplain homeowners will soon face a double whammy of home devaluation and home insurance rate hikes when the new maps take effect. Boeing's 787 Dreamliner will be delayed once again. Boeing recently announced that new models of their 787 Dreamliner will most likely be delayed until towards the end of October. This delay is caused by Boeing's failure to convince the FAA that the plane maker's planned inspection schedule was adequate considering defects discovered in the plane's nose structure back in July. A Boeing spokesperson had this to say when quoted by Bloomberg. "We have engaged with the FAA on this issue in meetings and working sessions over hundreds of hours and will continue to do so. Boeing wants and expects our teammates to speak freely, ask questions, and present different perspectives about very complex and technical issues." Walmart is giving a pay raise to over 500,000 people. The largest retailer on earth has recently announced that it plans to give just over 565,000 employees a pay raise of at least $1 per hour. These pay raises will mostly go to low-level employees at retail locations and are set to take effect on September 25th, 2021. Furthermore, Walmart claims this new investment in workers will bring the average retail worker's pay to $16.50 an hour. This means that Walmart pays out over $792 million each week to frontline workers. This new wage hike also makes for the third pay raise the company has given out in 2021 alone, according to CEO Doug McMillon. Volkswagen CEO says the chip shortage may last years. During a recent appearance on Bloomberg Television, Volkswagen AG Chief Executive Officer Herbert Diess said that the chip shortage may continue for the next months or even years. The auto executive said that the race for EV and autonomous driving technology among major automakers is one of the main drivers of the shortage. Will ending Biden's mortgage forbearance program crash the housing market? Let us know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.